we're gonna make slime. I'm gonna introduce you to the ingredients we got. School glue, activator, food coloring, I'm using pink today, baking soda, toothpicks, lime, slime, that is company one, and you're supposed to add 1 cup of glue. I don't know it. Next step we're gonna add our food coloring. I'm just using today. Now I'm going to be mixing in the pink with the glue. And you know, if you don't want to add baking soda to your slime and you set activator, it won't work. I tried that before and it didn't work. So that's why I use baking soda as an option laundry detergent. Mostly, baking soda and activator is better. No wasting slime. Now that it's fully pink, we're gonna add some baking soda.
How much?
1/3 baking soda. Fill it over everything. All the slime and now mix. If it doesn't really form, you can add a little bit more baking soda. So I'm just gonna try with only 1 tablespoon, which I'm gonna put the glue on. The spoon, drip it down, to get that baking soda. Now we're gonna add the activator. I have multi-purpose solution for soft lenses. It works really well. Can you see those little bubbles right there? That looks like it's gonna form. So we're gonna add more. It must form really good, or we're gonna add more baking soda. I'm guessing a little bit more baking soda right now, so a bit, sprinkle, and mix. Okay. I always like getting the sides and then the middle because it's much more better. Okay, so the more baking soda you add, the more good the slime gets and more like it's coming together. So
Should be good. Don't add more. You gotta wait.
a little bit. Mix. And now it should form. Oh my god. I'm laughing right now because the slime is not literally forming. I don't know why. Oh my god. Ah. So I think I overflowed the glue because I got it overflowed. So it should grab on the spoon when it's ready. So we'll wait for a little. Come with me. Okay, come with me. see you in part 2 when my slime is gonna be ready.